Oh, don't move, don't move. Oh, somebody's coming. Alright, here we go. See what we can do.
In Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student.
Let's see if we can make it out, everybody. See if we can escape the family of killers. I recorded a whole bunch of other videos before this, and my mic was not working. Stupid thing was not working. And I created like 4 or 5 videos. And now I have to start. And now I'm starting all over because the stupid mic wasn't working. That's alright. I like playing this game anyway. But it's like I recorded all those videos, and then I was like playing it back to hear them. It's like, wait a minute, my mic was off the whole damn time. Oh, where are they?
Can I get through there?
This lair door is open.
Hide, they're coming.
Boy, yeah.
Thank you, God. I think I lost them.
I almost got it open.
Did they really leave? I don't know about this. Finally. Leyland, I'm over here.
Oh, don't move, don't move. Oh, somebody's coming. Don't move. Okay, I don't see nobody.
Oh God, did they hear me?
Hey, get the battery.
I gotta be more quiet. Pay more attention, Anna. Stop it, Anna.
Almost got it, almost got it, almost got it. Bam, got it. Yeah, buddy. Let's make some noise. Let's have some fun. We're just trolling now. We could have done already love. We're just trolling. Yeah, GG's.
Think.
Yeah, here they come.
What do I do?
Yeah, you do stuff.
GG's, fellas, GG's.